Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon, here at Guaranty RV. My name is Ashley.Lundy and we are going to take a quick look at a new model from Thor. This is a 2021 Thor Compass 23 TE and I'm really excited to show it to you. This is one of the first ones we've received and we're going to go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, as we head on into this Thor Compass, you'll immediately see on the left-hand side your power switch as well as your solar charge controller. This is a clue to me that this one comes with a solar panel already installed. And on the right-hand side is your full color touchscreen and buttons for the lights. This is something a little bit different. I can do a quick 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the lights will come on inside. And speaking of lights, we have a huge skylight over the front. This is just one of the many things I really enjoy about this new Compass. Big thing about this one, as you look at the front, is brand new dash, new chassis. This is from Ford, and it's an all-wheel drive model, which is pretty rare in the motorhome industry still. And it comes with Ford's 3.5 liter EcoBoost. This is a V6 engine that is in the Ford F-150. It is their most popular engine with the highest towing and payload capacity in the F-150. And in this application, it's going to have 310 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque, and is still going to come with that 10-speed automatic transmission from Ford as well. So you're getting a lot of good technology with this. All of that combined together means that you're going to get maybe 12, 14 miles per gallon, a whole lot better than you would get with a traditional Ford gas coach, and just about as good as you would get on the Mercedes diesel. So this is a really nice in-between kind of option for a gasoline coach. Of course, further back, this is where it gets really exciting. This is where you're going to be living. This is a Murphy bed floor plan. So you have your sofa here, and then when you're ready to go to bed at night, you fold down the bed and you're ready to sleep. Don't have to fold the mattress. Everything can already be made up and ready for you. During the daytime, when you're sitting on the sofa, you're facing directly across from this TV on a lift, the little televator I'm a fan of, which actually gets you more counter space as well if you happen to be cooking. You get a very large round sink in this one. And to save space, they gave you a convection oven microwave combination unit. So you can do your baking or reheating in it. And of course that's across from your fridge and all your storage, your wardrobe. And another unique part about this one is the bathroom is in the rear across the whole coach. So you don't have to wedge yourself into a corner. You can have a nice sliding door, plenty of space back here, lots of storage for all of your goodies in the bathroom. And this one of course has great coloring in it. Makes it really bright and open with the mirrors and the light colors. Thank you so much for taking a look at this new Compass with me today. Again, my name is Ashley. I'm here at Guaranty RV and I would love to show you this or any of our other models here. Please feel free to stop on by. You can also call me directly at 541-337-2387. That's my cell, so feel free to text as well. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.